Merry Christmas!
Merry fall.
It's the 24th episode.
I see.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
That's in our country. That the 24th is the real Christmas. That means it will be Christmas next episode as well.
Yeah, for you Americans.
Yeah. Anyway, so we've unlocked some dice, and now we need to re-roll them.
Yes, that's the thing that you started on last time.
Yeah.
I will go ahead and write the things again that you wrote last time. Reroll. Reroll the die.
I should have kept it.
And I think we need a seed.
We need a seed.
Yeah. But will this sort of break? Do we need now seeds for everything? I think so.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm going
You
to
will.
prematurely add
Premature optimization right here.
premature fixing of tests. Okay, so the event was dice rolled. Are you happy with that name?
Yeah.
It is at least in the past. So
It's better than some of the other names we have.
yeah.
It's also worse than some of the other names.
Yeah, I just see that the verb is on the start of the other ones, but let's not dig into that right now.
Because this one, set dialogue ? I'm not so happy with.
That's even worse. Yeah, I agree.
Yeah.
Okay, so dice rolled. We have 2 dice.
And they both roll. And now so it's very good that you have locked true on the first one, because even though we have a test for unlocking it, we need to also make sure that it actually rolls.
Yeah.
Because I have a suspicion it will not.
It's true. We have die number 0, which is from 0, but that's the current phase.
Yeah.
To some unknown number.
Yeah, we'll find out.
Yeah, because we don't know what the random number generator will create. But die number 1 is from 4, and the roll ID is the seed.
Yeah.
So I think this is it.
This is it.
Here you go.
Thank you. So dice rolled. I think we produced some dice rolled stuff from before.
Yep.
Here we go. Re-roll. So we're going to do some of this stuff.
Yeah. We won't be spending any rerolls, that's for sure.
No. This tells me that I probably want to cut this up a little bit.
Yeah, probably.
Because we want to do this.
Yeah, this is the only part that's being tested right now.
And we want to do this also.
But that's later.
That's later.
But once we have a test for it.
Okay, so we'll chop this up.
You have failing tests, so you shouldn't be refactoring.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I'm pretty sure that was exactly what was meant in the unit testing book.
Yeah. But there's no practical way to get here without doing this first.
You could just copy the dice roll.
Yeah, I could.
Piecemeal into...
I don't want to do that.
Okay.
So this will be roll. So the problem is that this one, it does this check here.
Yes.
It's probably fine. Or should it receive the dice to roll?
It can receive the dice to roll.
Yeah. So we'll do why is N? That's
you're re-rolling. You don't care about it.
Like this, and then we'll do like this.
Don't need the game then.
Don't need the then, and we don't need this one for now.
We need a seed. Oh, okay.
Okay. And then I'm gonna copy this and do dice. And then we'll use it from down here.
Yeah, but you remove 1 level of nesting from it.
Yeah. Perfect. That solves my psi. Roll dice. Do we already have something called roll dice?
Nope.
No. Good. Game. And then this stuff.
Yeah.
Maybe even...
Nah. No. It's I like this one better.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then we don't need we can do this. So
okay, so now you're creating a new random number generator wherever you're rolling dice. But there might be other random stuff going on. And do we want to increase the seed several times? I think maybe you should pass the random number generator in.
Yeah, okay. So we'll bring it back here, and then we'll do game, dice, and then RNG, like that.
Yeah. Are you happy with the order?
No.
No. Are you only unhappy with the order because I asked you?
No, I don't like it if there are like multi-line stuff, I want it to be at the end.
Yeah, agreed.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I'm not happy with this either.
Yeah, I agree.
Because now I have the game, and then I have some opaque thing, and then more stuff from the game.
Yeah.
But this is still better.
Agreed.
And I also don't want the RNG first, because the RNG is not the most salient thing.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah.
I agree with this order.
So I can order these in many different ways, and I will be slightly unhappy with all of them.
Yes, I agree.
Yeah.
And I think the reason that you're unhappy with all of them is because it feels bad to both pass in the game and the random number generator.
That's right.
Yeah. Well, let's leave with this for now. So now the tests are still green. That's great.
Yeah. So now then we can open up this guy again. And now I can call this function. So we're in this like finished turn or something. Yeah, there we go.
Yep.
Unlock dice, and then so can I do this?
Now you have to wrap it.
Now I have to wrap it because
it's just a single event, and you concat. So
is this just a single event?
Yes.
Oh, right. There's one event for all the dice.
Yes.
But what if there are none? There has to be.
That's a good question.
Yeah. But there has to be.
Yeah.
And we just want to do this now because we want to reroll all of them. Punch a zombie, exception, nil pointer. So
did I not fix all the seeds?
Probably not.
Go check which test is failing. It's 174. Line 174.
It says 96.
That's in game.
Yeah, 172. Where did you get 174 from? I see.
Game test.
Yeah.
There's no seed
There's
there.
no seed here. And then
190?
Yeah. 190.
So all of these, okay, because all of them finished the turn.
Yeah.
Now.
And then we're at 235. That should be the new one, right?
Yeah, it's 6,
yeah,
6,
and this is just the wrong values. So it should be 3.
Yep.
And
you have to go down into the window and look.
Yeah, okay.
It's
2. Suboptimal. Hooray!
Okay.
So it re-rolls the dice.
Let's try it.
Yeah, we can try it. So let me get some juicy stuff. Oh,
wow.
I got some juicy stuff.
That's a bit too juicy.
And then I'll just punch the hell out of this guy.
Yeah.
And then, oh my god, but
they reroll, but yeah, they don't. Yeah, the rerolls aren't. But try. Well, you don't have a zombie to punch. I was hoping to illustrate that the seed hadn't changed. Yeah. Try punching the zombie.
Yeah.
And we will get new dice.
Yeah.
And now punch the zombie again, and we will get the exact same dice, I think. Yeah.
What? Oh, right. Because it didn't change the seed.
It didn't change the seed.
I see. Okay. So
I think we don't need a separate test for that.
No, of course not. We can just pull it in here.
Yeah.
It's a
set seed.
And set seed, and then 2.
Yeah, we're just increasing the seed.
There we go, sir.
Thank you.
So now we can finish the refactoring from before.
Yes, exactly. Because, and this is the reason why I wanted you to pass the random number generator in, because I want the seed to be set sort of at the end of any random number generator using thing.
Yeah.
So the most sort of basic thing that we can do is this. Should be green and everything is good.
Mm-hmm.
But it is sort of tempting to extract this random.
Yeah.
It's a little bit tempting, at least, to extract this random set seed.
We could even
wrapper.
create a macro for it.
Could create a macro for it.
No, because I was thinking like
because it's binding.
Yeah,
binding
it's
stuff.
like a binding thing.
Yeah. Do we do that just for the lulz?
Well, yeah, let's do it for the lulz.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
we have a few minutes left.
Yeah.
Okay, so the way I want to use
Write
it,
a macro. You have 2 minutes. Go.
so it's with RNG,
Yeah, and then you get the RNG.
and then I get the RNG like this.
Yeah, and then it should add the set seed stuff. So that means you have to pass it the game as well.
It does not need the game.
It needs
the
a seed.
seed.
It needs a seed then. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. So
With RNG, and they just pass the seed then.
game RNG, or is it? This isn't good.
No,
I'm not happy with this at all.
no.
Because it's 2 bindings.
I agree.
It's
It's terrible.
one is an input, and another is sort of an out binding. This looks bad.
Undo, and let's be happy with what we have.
Let's not create a macro for the lulz.
Yeah,
It's not because we don't wanted to create a macro. It's because we weren't happy with the signature.
yeah. It looks terrible.
It did look terrible. Okay, let's finish this episode off with illustrating that we now punch. We
And-
get new dice, and we
and,
punch
yeah.
again, and we get even newer dice.
Perfect. And let me just add this. If we have one more function that does set the seed, then we will figure something out.
Agreed.
Yeah.
We can live with 2 of them.
Yeah.
Very good. So that was the Christmas episode.
Yeah.
Stay tuned for the Christmas episode next time. See ya.
Ho, 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 and Merry Christmas to y'all. See ya.